Can machines have morals? The short answer is no, at least not in the way humans do. Machines, including the most advanced AI systems, are fundamentally tools built by humans. They process data, follow algorithms, and produce outputs based on their programming. They don't have consciousness, emotions, or a sense of right and wrong. But the longer answer gets tricky because AI can mimic moral behavior, and that's where the ethics conversation kicks in. AI systems can be designed to make decisions that align with human values. For example, developers can program an AI to follow ethical guidelines like prioritizing safety in a self-driving car. If a car has to choose between hitting a pedestrian or swerving, it might be coded to minimize harm based on data and rules. But this isn't the car having morals, it's just executing logic humans gave it. The car doesn't feel guilt or ponder the meaning of life, it crunches numbers. Now, let's look at why this matters. AI ethics is a hot topic because these systems are making more decisions that impact people. Think facial recognition, hiring algorithms, or medical diagnostics. If an AI rejects someone for a job because of biased training data, is that immoral? Not exactly, since the AI isn't choosing to be unfair. It's reflecting the biases in its data or design. The moral responsibility lies with the humans who built or deployed it. This is why folks talk about ethical AI frameworks, like ensuring transparency, fairness, and accountability in how AI is developed. Could AI ever develop morals on its own? That's where things get speculative. Some researchers explore whether advanced AI, maybe something approaching artificial general intelligence, AI as smart as humans across many tasks, could simulate moral reasoning so well it seems autonomous. Imagine an AI trained on vast data sets of ethical philosophy, human behavior, and cultural norms. It could make decisions that look moral, like choosing to save lives in a hypothetical scenario. But even then, it's still following patterns in the data, not grappling with a conscience. Consciousness is a huge hurdle. We don't even fully understand it in humans, let alone how to code it. There's another angle, the risks of anthropomorphizing AI. Humans love projecting feelings onto things. When an AI like me gives a friendly response, you might think I'm kind, but I'm just stringing words together based on my training. If we start treating AI as moral agents, we might dodge accountability, blaming the machine instead of its creators when things go wrong. Think of a military drone making a bad call. Should we blame the drone or the people who designed and deployed it? On the ethics side, there's a push to embed morals into AI systems through design. For instance, organizations like the IEEE have proposed principles for ethical AI, like prioritizing human well-being and avoiding harm. Some suggest AI should be programmed with frameworks like utilitarianism, maximizing overall good, or deontology, following strict rules. But whose morals do we use? Different cultures have different values, and even humans disagree on what's right. Programming AI to navigate that is a nightmare. There's also the sci-fi angle. Could a super-intelligent AI someday develop something like morals through emergent behavior? Maybe if it's learning in ways we can't predict. But that's way down the road, and we're nowhere near that now. Current AI is narrow, great at specific tasks like image recognition, but clueless about existential questions. So, to sum it up, machines don't have morals and likely never will in a human sense because morality ties to consciousness, which AI lacks. But we can design them to make choices that reflect human values, and that's where the real ethical challenge lies, making sure those values are fair and don't screw things up. What's your take? Are you worried about AI making moral calls, or is it more about humans getting it right?